Hi, hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome to another session from Alpha TCA Python tutorial for beginners. In today's session, we are going to see about a little bit more discussion on the functions. Okay. So let's define a function. So let's say I'm defining a function called function, and inside that I just want to print something like hello world. If I say and I need to call the functions, right? So I just want to call the function. Then okay. So let's run this one. I'm getting an output. Okay, sir, this is fine. But what if in the case we have something called another thing? Okay, instead of that, I need to write some other thing. Okay, instead that, okay, I need to have something else. Okay, in that you are something your name you should keep as name here and your age is I don't think so. This should not come. You are Srinivas. Okay, you need to mention here, and you need to specify. I need to specify the age and your pay. Okay, something I just want to randomly. I am picking. Okay, so in this, I just want to pass the parameters. Okay, let's suppose say I'll pass Vasu, and you have been 25 years old. Your pay is 1000. Okay, the same thing I'm here passing the parameters like okay the same thing okay your name and age and pay. Okay, let's find if run this one. So I'm getting your was you are 25 years and your is 1000. Okay, after that we have another thing. Okay, now you are taking randomly and you are getting right. But what if you don't have specifying anything? Okay, if you not specify anything, you just leave it as a brackets whether it will work. Let's run this one because function takes zero positional argument but three were given. It means here not mentioned anything but you are saying that you are passed three more variables, right? So in such a case you need to definitely pass the arguments. Okay, in the say case only it will be accessible, otherwise it is not accessible. Okay, okay, I hope this one. But what if I have been given different? Okay, what if I have been given like this way? It means you need to specify in the means of character. Okay, it means using key value you are mentioning whether will it work. We'll see because you will get error because you are asking name and then you are giving keyword. It means whenever you are using in the function, the first should be the positional arguments, then only the keyword arguments. It means position means 25 and 1000 will be the position, and the name you are specifying that is should be the key. So first you should specify the positional arguments follow keyword the argument. It means if you specify okay, you need to specify the name as after that. Okay, if I specify name as Vasu, okay, and if my age is 25 and this is if I enter, will it be valid? No, absolutely not because positional argument follows keyword argument. It means that you need to ensure in such a way that you should be in a position to give each and everything in the positional format. Then whether it will work, we'll see, right? Because first, you should give the positional arguments, then followed by the keyword arguments. Okay. If you are not specifying any of these things, then immediately you will get an error such that positional argument follows the keyword argument. It means you need to mention the positional arguments first, then only keyword arguments. From this video, I can conclude that positional arguments should be takes first priority and the keyword arguments take second priority. It means you should specify the positional arguments first, then only followed by the keyword argument. From this, you can conclude that positional argument plays a major role, and after that, keyword arguments. I hope this is very clear. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment box. And if you are not subscribed till my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon that makes me motivated to do more videos like this. Thank you for watching.